back to the my new video in my YouTube channel, friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys realme phone guys sound and vibration setting, friends. In this video, friends, I will show you guys how can you disable your vibrate mode in your realme phone. Friends, you want to disable your vibrate mode, and guys you can see this icon guys, vibrate icon on your screen guys, and guys you want to remove this icon. So guys, how can you remove it? In this video guys I am going to show you, friends. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel guys, and guys you are watching my video first time, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video, and first of all open your phone setting to disable your vibrate mode. Then I scroll it. You can see this type of setting guys in your realme phone. So friends, you can see guys your sound and vibration guys, tap here. So friends, you can see this type of setting guys, vibrate on ring setting guys, and friends you can see your sound mode. So friends, tap here this sound mode setting, and guys you want to disable your vibrate mode, so guys click on this ring option, this ring mode. Then guys you can use guys your notification alarm and tone sound, and guys you can see the vibrate mode icon will remove on your screen. So like that guys, you can disable your vibrate mode in your realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye, friends.